In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to address the common problem of slow sales on Facebook Marketplace and explore effective ways to boost your sales. If you've been listing items but aren't seeing the interest or purchase activity you hoped for, don't worry, you're not alone. Let's take a look at some practical steps you can take to improve your sales performance. First, let's navigate to Facebook on your browser or app. If you haven't done so already, log into your account, making sure you're on the main page. From here, you're going to want to look for the marketplace icon, which you'll typically find on the left-hand side of your screen or at the bottom if you're on a mobile device. This area is your hub for buying, selling, and browsing items locally and on a broader scale. Once you've opened the marketplace, head over to the section for selling. In this tab, you'll find all the items you currently have listed for sale. Let's focus here because this is where you'll implement changes to get your sales moving. One quick tip to improve your listing visibility is to renew them. So look for the three little dots you'll find on each listing. Click on them and you'll see an option for renew listing. This action will refresh your item's placement, effectively bumping it back up to the top of the listings, making it more visible to potential buyers who might have missed it the first time. Next, consider editing your listing. By clicking Edit Listing, you can optimize your item description, ensure it's clear and full of the kind of details that matter to buyers. Add high-quality photos from multiple angles, set a competitive price based on market research, and make sure your title is descriptive yet concise. If an item has been sitting too long without interest, these changes could provide it with a much-needed refresh. Additionally, to expand your audience even further, you can promote your listing or share it into local Facebook groups. By promoting, you pay a small fee for wider reaching exposure. For sharing, click on the group icon and select the groups relevant to your item's category and location from the options provided. Selling in groups that align with your item type can often reach a more targeted audience ready to purchase. Finally, remember that persistence is key. Regularly check the performance of your listings, update them as necessary, and adapt to what your audience seems to respond to. The marketplace is a dynamic environment, so staying active and engaged is crucial. I hope these steps help rejuvenate your selling experience. With these tweaks, you should see improved interest and sales activity. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe for more tips and strategies. Happy selling!